Kanada Dudashan Meghalaya bring pedang sobhai people ro shaka thukubam da janmin shaman phaj ki khubor ke babnya hine pe chai kimat pukongsan Kintaj Pinong Tray ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ya ka jingpalai tulap atang sanbana Li pajba ka sarkar jilla ya ka Meghalaya Hospitality Scholarship Program anyo jingmentoi shispa anrup sanmut ki kena puli na kini ka scheme ha kini ka sans number 1 Li ka Meghalaya ya ka armanak sinrai 8,000 ka bandan hriutli ki tamasa bahe But ya chaprang ka jingkilan met maitri 8,000 hapdang ki shipai India but Thailand ha umroi ki khubor ki babnia Kinong Tray jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council lani ka KHASI hinne ka sngi ki la kantaj ya ka jingterwa ban pelat ya ka tulap basa teng ka basan banai ka jing ya ki jong ki kala kenjo menta sya ka shi banai ar pusan sngi bat kila penne ya ka jingdawa ban siu tulap ya ka basa teng la sau pusau banai kani ka jing ya ki jong ki kala sedang nadu ka hinyau terik unaitung hadien ka jingbam siu ya ka tulap basau pu ar banai ha ka ba menta kala kenjo sya ka sau pusau banai ka arfana en sangma ka badai ka nong tray jong ka KHASI kala ong ba ki nong tray dangshan kila dawa ya ka jing siu ya ka tulap pasau pulai benai Henry minta kila dawa badai ban siu depno ya ka tulap padang sa teng baro
सेक्रेटरी ऑफिस से आज हम लोग एक ऑर्डर मिला है 5 मंथ्स पेंडिंग सैलरी का ऑर्डर मिला है और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से एक सीएम ने स्टेटमेंट दिया है वो 1 नवंबर से GHADC एम्प्लॉय को मंथली सैलरी देगा बोला है लेकिन अभी हम लोग तो हमारा 44 मंथ्स पेंडिंग सैलरी चाहिए वो पहले उसको क्लियर करना पड़ेगा और वो जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने बोला था 1 नवंबर से सैलरी रेगुलर देगा वो तो हम लोग बाद में 44 मंथ्स पेंडिंग सैलरी क्लियर होने की बात ही हम लोग वो डिसाइड करेगा वो लेगा और नहीं लेगा
Umentri katanat social welfare uba Paul Lingdo hine kasni ulapan bana ya ka jingpalaj pajba ya ka Meghalaya Hospitality Scholarship Program jong ka sarkar MDA ka bathmu bansai ya ki nongtre ki balapan tibet ha katanat hospitality hapo kani ka program ka sarkar Meghalaya kan ai jingkershan ya ka tuition fee ka ba shispa na ka shispa ya ki khana pule BSc but ha ki badan ha ka hospitality but hotel management ha ki jaka pule Institute of Hotel Management kindan baro shispa hanru pusan ngot ki khana pule ki banyo jingbentoy na kanika scheme ha ki niki sans number 1
Entry into higher professional education in hospitality to guide and nurture youth for global opportunities and strengthen the state's skilled workforce in the hospitality sector. There will be 100% tuition fee support for students pursuing the BSc in hospitality and hotel management at IHM Shillong. Beneficiaries will be drawn from all blocks of Meghalaya. 55 students will avail of this free support from the government of Meghalaya.
Ka Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya dan ka fastam sashisin kalapan pau ya ki jing e ba ki nong hikai ad hoc ki ya kendo hakaba ka jing red katulap ka long ka ba khamat e u vice president ka fastam uba sanbo jungai ula ong ba ki nong hikai lower primary ki yo tulap khatpra hajar tingka shibanai ki upper primary arpo ar hajar ki secondary arpo khandai hajar ki higher secondary laipulai hajar ki nong hikai ha ka subject science ki yo laipowe hajar but ki nong hikai hindi ki yo khat prahajar tingka shu ula ong baka federation kala rai ban sedang ya ka jing ya ki bat ya ka rai ba khat do ansa pentep ha ka khat lai terek menta ubnai
as an ad hoc teachers we are facing many problems. The reason of this problem is the low salary that we receive as teachers. For example, the lower primary school teachers, they are getting a salary of 18,000 per month. The upper primary, they are getting 22,000 per month. The secondary, they are getting 29,000 per month. Then the higher secondary, they are getting 33,000 per month. The science teacher, they are getting 31,000. And the Hindi teachers who are appointed in the secondary level, they are getting only 18,000.
Menteri Katanat Kam Jengok Kai Perthai uba polling do hene kesngi ula play pajba ya ka MEGHALAYA autumn calendar arhajar arpusan kaban kentup haka ya kita masa kaban penne ya ka jela haka Kam Jengok Kai bayadai bat ka kolshor. Ula ong bakani ka armanak kan long kum shibenta jong ka jing persang ban kentiu ya ka Kam Jengok Kai kum katanat bakongsan ban kum katanat bakongsan tam jong ka jela bat kani kan penpau perthai ya ki jing persang ban penyar ya ka Kam Jengok Kai haka bayadai bat ka kolshor bat jing lai jengok ya ki jaka da ka ba pen khlan ya ki jaka Jengok Kai ha yam bat sora.
The formal launch of Meghalaya's autumn calendar 2025, highlighting various upcoming events as part of our continued effort to elevate tourism as a sector. For instance, we are now very close to implementing this circuit which connects Umyam with Sora, which is why we are investing in 5-star properties both at Umyam and at Sora, in order that we also attract more high-end tourists who, with deeper pockets, will invest and spend more in Meghalaya.
Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival arhajar arpusan kalalong kabalapan kre banting shan ha ka Perthai ha ka ba kanora fatehi kabadai kanong Morocco kalapan kre banwani shimbenta ha ka sngi play ya ka tamasa kalayo jing itu hadin ka FIFA World Cup ha Qatar ha usnam arhajar arpoar bat kan sawan banyar wailang bat u Jason Derulo nari Amerika bat ka kunhun tem bapau nam ka skrip ha ka sngi beningkong jong kani ka tamasa uba apol ula pentip baha uni usnam an penlong ya kani ka tamasa ha JN Stadium ha ka baki surok kinlong tang na ka bentaban yat kejat bat la khmi lenti bakin don kumba laipo hajar mut kinong wan sha kani ka tamasa.
Apart from that, a very well-known Moroccan-based performer, Nora Fatehi, has also confirmed her participation and performance on day one of Cherry Blossom 2025. She has a huge fan following in India, and her most known stage performance so far has been a performance at the FIFA World Cup held at Qatar in 2022. Cherry Blossom will be her first Indian show.
Joint Action Committee lanika JAC jangka raj South Simper hine kasngi kalai kundu ya Chief Executive Member ka KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council uba Shambor lang rinja lembat ka jingdawa banwengno ya usiem ka hima maharam ka JAC kalapen kan mau yala ka jingdawa hadien ka jingpentip jong usnem arhaja aphuwe halor ka jingbha ya ka jingyo upa em niandro siem yong ula pentip ba ya ka jingyo na ka jingde jaka hakaraj South Simper anya sam sanpau na ka pa sya usim arpau nak shispa sya ka dorbar raj bad sya kitrai jaka kat ba shipau nak shispa sya ka dorbar shnong. Lai potali ki school ha Eastern West KHASI Hills ki layo diang ya ki machine banshna ya ki sanitary pads kum shibanta jong ka jingrakhe ya ka program ai jing hikai halor kumno banle khoj ha ka por ba poi banai lapan long ya ka program ha ka sngi da ka tanat social welfare ha po ka scheme beti bachao beti parao ha ka jing trailang bat ka district sankalp hub bat ka jing penkup bor ya ki kanthai ka deputy commissioner ka Eastern West KHASI Hills ikong Anita Kharpor ila banjor halor ka jingdon kam banyakren halor ka jingle khoj yaki kanthai ha kapor papoi banai
to take care of ourselves. How can we take care of ourselves? I'm sure you've heard, you must be familiar with the famous saying that goes, cleanliness is next to godliness, isn't it? If we love ourselves, we keep our dignity, we understand our dignity, we will take care of ourselves in a special way.
Ka St. Anthony's College Hashilong kalapenlong ya ka convocation mentakasngi umentri ubakmi ya katanat arts and culture social welfare and tourism uba pol lingdo ulalong ukongsan but ulalong ru ukena pule barim jong kanika college ha ka English department ula ai ka jingero ya ka jingla jong ka college banle bha but banne ya ka jing paunam jongka Muhammad Rehzul Islam na ka political science ula yo ya kanam valedictorian jong usnem Kajing Sam ya ka khusnam Archbishop Hubert D. Rosario na kabenta ki bayo bone marks ha ka exam jong ka nihu kalalej sha usomiyor shadza jong ka geology ubalayo khandai pusaw 0.1%.
Back in the 1990s, when I was a student here, I can have a few of the advantages that I would have loved to have. One is the Department of Music, and two, we will have members of the agenda. But I think it did help in that I was not distracted, kept my mind focused on, and made sure that I journeyed from St. Anthony's College to the Department of English. At that point of time was rated as one of the top 10 in the country.
Kabenta bakhat saw jong ka jing ai jing hikai yaki shipai ke India but Thailand kabala tip kum ka maitri kala sedang ha ka shitarik unailur ha join training node umroi da ka jing shim benta shirham jong ki shipai India but ka Royal Thai Army kane ka jing klan met kanne hadu ka khat saw tarik unailur kane ka jing ai jing hikai ka bakhat saw sngi ka phai khmat na ka benta ban pentebit shu shu yaki ha ka rukam ya le thma ban pen khlan ya ka jing trailang bat ka jing yasam kliang yaki he officer ka jing pendon kam ban pen trai kam yaki rukam ya le thma bat ban ya trailang ha ka ban ya khun persha yaki kam le no Umentri katanat yelekai uba Shakler Wajri ula ong baki kamban penkre yaki jaka yelekai na kabenta ka National Games kilaya chaprang ka Meghalaya kalong kabala kre ban pediang yakni ka Limpung bat ampat la ban tip tikna ya ka jing yelekai ba komno an penlong hakathan chatela mingi ula ong badang don bun ki ki badang hab ban penbha ban penyat chaprang yakni ka kam habakren ha kajinyalang badang shen jongki menteri katanat yelekai jong kathan chathela mingi uba shakliat ula batai balaya tai halor ka jing don lang jong ka jinga trai lang ha padang ki jilla
Status, see, in terms of infrastructure, the status is most of the projects are still ongoing. Specifically, if you ask for the national games, in terms of infrastructure, like I've always said it, that as a state we are fully equipped. But yes, of course, once again, we do need to improve some certain infrastructures, and it's a process that's still going on, and we're still looking if there are other infrastructures that are needed. The state government will come up with it. The meeting was where we have decided to bring that sense of inclusiveness amongst us northeastern states. So we have decided to give each state discipline to be held in their respective states.
Mentang ini apa ya kajing long jingman kasun benang hatura. Kajing kriat kalong 8% degree Celsius berkajing shit kalong 9.8 degree Celsius. Kajing sengam ka hau kalong prapau nak sespa berkajing hap slap kalong kandai 0.0 mm. Kat bah hanong ba shalong kajing kriat kalong kat kandai degree Celsius berkajing shit kalong 8.0 degree Celsius. Kajing sengam ka hau kalong prapau nak sespa berkajing hap slap kalong 0.9 mm. Kat bah jawai pat kajing kriat kalong kat kandai degree Celsius ba kajing shit kalong 8.0 degree Celsius. Kajing sengam ka hau kalong prapau nak sespa. Kalak bandon kajing hap slap ka bamlu mala bat kajing tiru pertat haki babun ki jaka hatura shalong bat jawai. Syaban poi syaka bakut jang katuk kubal ngene pep yang sesisen yakimat pukangsan. Imtaj pinong kre ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council yang jumpai kulap Lepas ba kesoka jela yang MEGHALAYA Hospitality Scholarship Program anyo jingmu toy shispa rupusan mut kena kuliah na kanit skim hati sans number 1. Le ka MEGHALAYA ya ka armanak sengrai ahanja afusan ka bandon dutli kita masa bahe. But Yat Chaprang ka jingkilan met Maitri ahanja afusan hapdang shipai India but Thailand ha umroy. Te parlop katungi la poisha ko bakut jang kathup ko bajing imata ka janpet hadu bende shamyawt pila shakisni ko play pi baro.
सेमीकंडक्टर्स का